I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but
guys, I just want to make breakfast, and the first thing that I'm starting with is these are 3 eggs. I've put salt, I've put cayenne pepper, and I've put coriander leaves. And then here I have my grated potatoes. Here I've grated carrots, there's green pepper, and courgette. So that's what I've grated, the green ones and the orange. So you need to mix them. I like this breakfast because it's really nice and heavy. If you have a bigger bowl, it's good to mix it there. So this one is the one that has the mixture of salt and the cayenne or paprika. You can add anything of your choice. You can add black pepper, depends on what you want. So you need to beat it thoroughly.
I'm trusting your word, but we're running out of time. We were.
So this grated one, just bring on this one, mix well. Because here is where you'll add your eggs. I hope the 3 eggs will fit. So I've mixed already. Then come in with my eggs, mix them, and then you now cook, as in you just fry them the way you fry the eggs. But this one you just let them cook because you see they have raw potatoes. So guys, here I've just put my vegetable oil. You can put butter, depends on what you want. And then there's my onions. Just want them to just cook a little bit, and then I add my potato, the mixture. Guys, look, my onions are burning. I had forgotten about this one. I just moved a bit. You just add your mixture. And you cover it. This one, it works well even with spring onions. Guys, you can put it in low heat and you can use a lid so that it can cook well. And then after it has cooked on one side, you change on the other side and let it cook also. And then after that, you can serve. This is a good breakfast that when you eat, you always feel full, and it's so tasty. You can try it at home, and please tell me in the comment section if you will do that. Let's go, guys. I want to start with House of Leather. The bad thing with that place, you cannot get the videos from there. So yeah, and then maybe I go to Kamkunji. So yeah, the sun is out. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this, look. So guys, I want to thank you for the people who always watches my video and support me in many ways. So here I had two clients who had sent me to Decor, and I had to pass by and pick whatever they wanted and then deliver. So that's why I'm here again. They always have good stuff, you guys, good stuff.
The next day.
Hi guys, good. I don't know what to say, but good evening, morning. Okay, it's already in the evening here. So I'm taking oh, I cannot like some cannot show you because I cannot be able to flip the camera because it's on self mode. But I just wanted to come here like I'm taking some initangwa chai ya sakumi. I love it. Like, I love the smell of cocoa. I don't know, in the evening. I don't know. Nowadays, I'm liking. Kwanza mvua ikinyesha. I like it so much. So, yeah, guys, I don't have a tripod. That's why I'm really trying to get a good position to be able to talk to you. So, about the house that I was talking to you about last vlog. I managed to get a good one, and yeah, I think I'll settle for that. I will show you. So yeah, I'm currently in the work, but I just wanted to come here and talk to you a bit. Yeah, and then I'm taking meal bakers. I love this. I love meal bakers. They're everything for me. They are cakes. Hata nafanyanga ni kama sijui kupika. Anyway, I've not eaten the whole day, so this is what I'm going to take. I've just said, let me just come here, say thank you to all of you who always watches my videos and everyone who supports me in another way. Yeah, because from the last vlog I got some people who sent me to Decor because they saw the video and they liked the stuff that I showed. You know, like that means a lot, you guys. You can as well, even if you've not seen the videos, you guys, you can go back to my videos and you will see that I've placed like I have more of Decor videos, and if you want something I can buy for you. And we arrange on delivery. Even if you're far, that doesn't have a limit. Okay, so that was what I wanted to say. Thank you so much. And I got a house. I'm so happy about that because imenisumbua sana, but I've gotten. And I won't go back and change the designs that I made for the first item that I wanted to purchase. I told you I had measured the first house and what I wanted to put. So sahi sitabadilisha because the house is it will fit. But the one that I showed you in the current video, it was not fitting the sizes that I had made. So yeah, I'm so happy about that. Also because my heart, I'm just relieved from everything. Yeah, so let me just show you the house.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before.
So guys, I finally got a house, but I got a house which was 2-bedroom instead of 1, and the pricing was almost actually the same as the one that I got for 1. So I decided let us just go with the 2, and this one will work out for me. So this is it, you guys.
All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries.
I was lucky to find a new house because that is always my main aim, and you can see how beautiful it is from the outside, and this is how it is on the inside. You guys, you can tell me in the comment section what you think about this house and the other one that I had showed you in the previous video.
Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become, and I've been looking forward to this day.
I didn't like the kitchen tiles, but the rest of the house was okay with me, but the kitchen tiles were no for me, but it was a bit spacious, so I just had to go with it.
Time has passed since last she saw the ones who left her sore. Smiling at them now, she's walking up to thank them for all the times they tried to push her cause they wanted her to fall, but now she's standing taller than before. And all the times they tried to hit her cause they wanted her to.
So this is the first bedroom, but it's not well lit, but for the client was okay with it. You know, she's not a YouTuber or any content creator, so she was okay with it.
But now they don't burn anymore. I don't wanna listen to what you say, telling me what can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you wrong, the day I prove you wrong, the day I prove you
The rest of the house was now more lit than that one bedroom, but as long as she was okay, then that was what we were going to take. I am happy I found a house, and also I won't be stressed again about the furniture that we had started making. So if you've watched until this far, thank you so much, and remember to subscribe, like and comment after the video. Bye bye.